Oh, yeah, I got a new bed behind there. And so, yeah, I just want to look in that, really. And today we're going to be looking through my fidgets. I've already got a fidget out because I've been playing with it. This is like green needle, a balloon. I made this. I think it's like a really good needle. I didn't blow that much air in it. And then I won this one for our school raffle. So yeah, it's just like a little infinity cube. And now let's get my box. Okay, look at me. I don't have that many, but I do have a lot. And then I got this caterpillar. This curly caterpillar. You can rip its head off, which I think is the most coolest part about it. Really. Put it back on. I got a slow rising squishy, which I really like because I had to colour it in. And I love that I did, but its horn fell off, which is sad. So now it just basically looks like a kitty cat. I got this with my own pocket money. And it's like a little ball sort of thing with loads of balls. And if you grab one, you can like put it around the others and then you can like untangle it. So it's really good. Like, you can do this. Which I think is the coolest about it. And my favourite little one on here is this tiny one right here, which I love. I got this little cube for all sorts of stuff, like spinner, thumb rester so you can just play, balls, my clay. So yeah, I got this. Apparently they break really easy, but mine isn't broken yet, which so I'm like lucky. I got this rubber bouncy ball. That would count as a fidget. I don't know if you would, but I would count as a fidget because bouncy. Why? Oh, this is one of the snappers. Crocodile snappers, they're called. They're really fun to play with. I don't know what fidget this is, so I'm just gonna throw it in the bin. Right, I got Dimple, which my friend Millie gave it to me. She'll have seen it on one of my YouTube videos. So yeah, let's just change that. Yeah, because that's a good pop inside. I got this. It's, poppet, cupcake poppet, which I love about it is like it's a cupcake. And then on what I'm just popping the ball inside now, so you can listen to the good side. You ready? Oh, yeah. Hopefully you didn't hear that. Oh. I love that part. Like, it's so satisfying. And then I got this one that says the ABCs. So it goes A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And then it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So see the pop on this side? Ooh, pretty good. But not the best. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so listen. Really. Oh. That's like so good. Don't know if you can hear it, but like that's so good. So I'm gonna pop it all onto that side. But you can. This side's still good a little bit. Sorry, guys. I got this, so my brother picked it out for me when they went to Trenton together. So, yeah. Why is the leather grip? Amy! Put it back in, like I said. Okay, so we got this fidget. They picked it for me, which I really like. Let's hear the pop. Oh, this side isn't good, so I'll pop it all and then, you know. I don't know how to make like one side good and one side awful at the pops. And then you just like, just make both sides better. Really. I think that was the best pop ever. Now I got this jumbo one. This is the biggest fidget I own. I I'm sure I have some of it somewhere. Yeah, I have this glow in the dark one somewhere. Oh, this is my brother's pop tube, if you're wondering. It's not mine. Mine's in the garage. Don't know why, but I just found it. It's all my stuff is over here because that would do my bedroom. Oh, found it. So I have this glow in the dark pocket. Let's try and turn the lights off. Okay, let's just turn the lights on a little bit more. Yeah, so it's glowing. The pop is amazing on both sides. So my friend Ava gave it to me on that door where someone was knocking on our door in that YouTube video. That's Ava, the girl who's with me, and it ended with Max. Sure you've watched it, you better have. So yeah, I love this fidget as well. Like, it's really good. So yes, and tell me what I should do next. So tell me what I should do next, because I'll be interested to hear your ideas. Let's just get this basket in, because I love... Oh, that's a good side. Why am I messing with that? Oopsies. Now I put the ice lily in. Oh no, one size not. Okay, now we put a little fidgets in. Oh, got it. I should probably go do the blinds. Okay, there we go. You can see me better now. So I will be playing with this one a lot today. But yeah, I called it the fart. So it's like that fidget where like you pop it in and it farts. So you can have your hands right here, and then you just go pop, and then that's like the massive bullet. God, it's really farting. So let's put all my little fidgets in. Oh, I forgot about this puppet. Let's put that in the back. Let's put them all in. Sorry. Just gonna put my fidgets back in. Will this fit? I don't know if it will. I'm gonna put that at the back and then this at the front. Okay, let me fidget drawer. Oh, just it's out. Don't matter, guys. I've got a yo-yo as well. Forgot about that. And these are my Lego sets and Lego beams. That's the unicorn one. Put that in the bed. Don't really need it. And then I'll put this in. So I only organised it because... Ooh! Ugh. I need to try and clean that coin. It's disgusting. Disgusting! Have you seen that trend? Disgusting! So I'm getting my new wardrobe today. It's coming today, but like building it tomorrow. So I'm gonna say bye. I'm gonna say bye. Just say bye to all this, cause it's going. Peace.